Imagine turning a single AI prompt into videos that look like this. No drawing, no animation skills, no expensive software, just a few free AI tools working together to create cinematic story videos that people cannot stop watching. This style of content is generating millions of views across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram because it grabs attention instantly and keeps viewers hooked until the very end. In this video, I will show you the exact AI workflow from generating viral storyboard ideas to creating stunning visuals and animating them into professional quality videos. By the end, you will know how to create as many of these videos as you want. Let us get started.
Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to use Claude AI to generate our storyboard, but you can also use any text-based AI like ChatGPT or Gemini to do the same thing. Of course, I have already prepared my master prompt template right here, and I will leave it in the description or in the pinned comment for you to copy and use for yourself. So I will go ahead and copy the entire thing. It is really long, so make sure you copy the whole prompt. Now I will head over to Claude AI, paste the prompt right here, and hit Send. Claude AI is then going to give us 10 fresh, high-retention ideas mixed across different categories. We have cooking, we have restoration, we have science, and much more. So go through them and find the one that you prefer. If you do not like any of these, you can simply ask it to give you more ideas, and it will instantly generate a fresh set for you. But if you find any of them attractive and you feel it will work for you, you can leave it as it is. Okay, so I think I like this one. How to weave a waterproof shelter roof from forest branches, which falls under the survival category. So I will copy that idea, paste it back into Claude AI, and send it. Now, as you can see, it asks for the duration that we want. 10 seconds is optimized for VO 3.1 or Omni Flash, and 15 seconds is optimized for CDAS. Since we are going to use Google's Omni Flash for this, I will simply type 10 seconds. Claude will then generate our storyboard based on that duration. Good. Now it is asking whether we want to use a reference image. For example, if you want to feature your own face in a particular video, then make sure you upload an image. If you do not want to, you can say no, but I want to feature my AI avatar, so I will upload it. There it is, my AI avatar right here. So I will go ahead and click Send. Now our storyboard image prompt is ready. As you can see, this is the prompt I will use to generate the image. And when you scroll down, you will also see the prompt for the video. So first of all, copy the image prompt. I will generate the image first before we do the animation. I will open Gemini, paste the storyboard image prompt right here, and attach my AI avatar since I want it to be featured in the shot. I will upload it and hit Send. This is now going to create the image for us. Let us wait for a moment and see how it turns out. Now we have our storyboard image right here. As you can see, this is the storyboard image. So I will go ahead and download it onto my computer. Next, I will open a new tab and visit labs.google. Then I will click on New Project. From there, I will toggle off the agent mode. Of course, I will come back to Claude AI to get my animation prompt, which is this one for the video, and then return to Flow. I have to upload the image that I just downloaded, that is the storyboard image, so I will add it to the prompt input, paste my animation prompt right here, and before I click Generate, I will select Video. Then I choose the number of outputs that I want. Of course, I will select Omni Flash here. You can also select the aspect ratio that you want, but I will leave it on 16:9. For the duration, I will select 10 seconds, and then I hit Generate.
This is now going to turn that storyboard image into a full-blown survival video, which is really, really amazing. All right, so the video is done. Let us go ahead and preview it and see how it turns out. There we go. Just so you know, with each account, you are given up to 50 credits every single day. That is enough to generate a handful of videos, around 3 to 4 videos per account each day. So you can repeat this process over and over. For example, I will ask Claude AI to give me another storyboard, and I will go through them just like this. So let us see. How to fix a cracked phone screen protector in a swipe. Something like that. Let me give it to Claude. I will paste it in and click Send, and it's going to do exactly what it did previously. Give it a little moment. There we go. Yes, the process is the same as what we did initially, so I will keep this part short. All right, so the second one is also done. Just like before, I will simply come back to Gemini and start a new chat. Let me start a new chat. I will upload my AI avatar once again, paste the prompt here, and hit Send. The process is exactly the same. So with this, you can create a whole lot of videos using different Gmail accounts, since each account gives you up to 3 videos. All right, so now we have it here. Let us see. Okay, so I will go ahead and download it as well. Now I will come back to Claude AI to get my animation prompt, then head into Flow, just like we did previously. I will upload the new storyboard image here, add it to the prompt input, paste my animation prompt, and hit Generate. All right, so now we have it here. Let us see. Okay, so yeah, guys, that is how to create this kind of storytelling survival content that has been trending so much on social media. If you like content like this, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment the word prompt so that I can send the prompt to you right away.